Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today, the market, what is today? Today's Tuesday, February the 23rd. The market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that is, fell 100 points today. Did that surprise us? Not at all. Why? Because I'm a magical stock market troll. No, because we've been watching the technicals right there. See? Look at that. Big old short-term overbought signal right there. And we're starting to pull back. No big deal there. The bottom line with technical analysis is this: the market can fight the signals, but sooner or later it will revert back to following the signals. And right now, the signals are telling us the market is short-term overbought, look for a pullback. So you're probably being stopped out of your long positions right now. That's normal. Let that happen. The market's telling you to get out of the long positions. That's what you want to do. Go to cash, wait for the next setup. Or you could short, Today's MPT rating came in at 04. That's our wild card. So we can't really tell you what tomorrow's going to do. We could go flat, we could go down some more, we could continue higher. Uh, from one day to the next, it's really difficult to tell you what the market's going to do. But looking at it for a few days, you can say, look, we're short-term overbought here. This has not been relieved. To be relieved, you'd have to be way back down here. So until that happens, the odds for a pullback are greater. Bears have got the odds working in their favor, while bulls have got it working against them. We do have two alerts for you today. You'll notice there's fewer when the market's pulling back. On our free alerts, we have only two today. We've got MIL and PVCT. I'll be watching MIL tomorrow. This particular candlestick on the day, I don't know if this video will allow you to see that. You can pull up my personal chart. It's on the same page, and look at the INDU chart. You'll notice this particular candlestick is a continuation signal. It's one of three candlesticks that I actually like to pay attention to. That basically tells me to look for tomorrow to be more selling. You could have news out that could kick it higher again, attempt to bounce back up to this 10-4 line here. But again, you've got that short-term overbought condition, and that's going to really put a wet blanket on the bulls here. You've also got a resistance line at 10.729. So all in all, I'm looking for this to fail, basically. I don't look for this bullish move to be true. I don't expect us to break to an upside to a new high. So this pullback and this resistance we're seeing here is all normal. It's what we should be expecting. I've drawn a black line here from one high to the next high. It's kind of showing where a potential downtrend may maybe actually be forming here, the starts of one. If you're not a full access member and you want to be one, you need to go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year. We have 6 days until we begin the 2000K challenge. That's basically where I will turn $2,000 into $1 million swing trading in front of our full access members. It's going to be really awesome. You can watch the video on that and learn about how we've done in the past on those kind of challenges. This is obviously going to be our biggest one. It's going to take us a little while to do it, but we're stoked about it. And if you'd like to join the magical stock market troll, then I'd like to see you all there. Remember that trading portfolio will begin on Monday, next Monday. So we're stoked about it. Be there.